In this video, I will show you how you can get massive search traffic to your website without actually building backlinks. I'll tell you how it works step by step. In the end, you will be having clear understanding on how you can implement this on your own. I'm showing you this because link building can be pretty annoying, so I'll show you how to rank on Google without it in this video. Let's just dive in. Link building myths. Links are powerful but often are reason for a lot of problem and headaches. Built-in links can be annoying and maybe go against Google's terms of services till the time you get caught, of course. Doing outreach to build link can be difficult if you don't have a good system. Not that easy for a beginners to do. But you shouldn't forget that it is still a very effective strategy. And we should always remember that Google was built on PageRank and backlinks. So this is not something the links doesn't count. Yes, links are what makes the rankings go up. Of course, besides other factors as well. Authority strategy. Become a topical authority go-to person in a specific area by covering all relevant subtopics in your niche. Use tools like Answer the Public and Ahrefs to create a topical map. Establish yourself as a topical authority so you can rank without backlinks. This strategy worked well even with sites having poor backlinks or content quality. For example, if you offer WordPress services, you can become a topical expert in authority in WordPress. You can write about different types of themes of WordPress. You can actually write about different errors in WordPress. And if you type for any error, there are a couple of sites which are doing very good and you can find them for all different type of errors. Those 2-3 sites comes in top. That's what is authority strategy. When you build a topical map and build your content around it. Article placement. Leverage high authority websites to host your content and benefit from their backlink power. Strategically place articles on sites that have authority to gain visibility without link building. This allows you to rank on Google using the authority of other websites. Article placement can be expensive, but the results often are great. And yes, you might have heard the other name for this called parasite SEO. And yes, it works. I'm not asking you to go bombastic on putting your sites on all those authority sites, but yes, when you think a site which is in your niche and a high authority, why don't we go for it? Age domain magic. Use old domains because Google trusts age domain more than freshly created domains. Buy age domains from reliable sources like ODS to reduce the risk of getting punished. And it is very, very important. Not just go and buy any domains which has high backlinks or high DR or past high DR or had high traffic. It is important that it was in your niche. Doesn't matter if you have to change the content, but remember it has to be your niche specific. Link-based articles. Craft content that naturally attract links. For example, if you make an in-depth guide, then you will become the go-to person in your industry, which again is a similar to authority strategy we talked about earlier. You can use statistics and leverage their data to get links from authors who are referencing your content. For example, you can be a go-to person for WordPress when you talk about WordPress statistics. For example, how many WordPress installations are there, how many WordPress websites get installed every day, what is the WordPress market share. So when people, writers or authors are researching for those particular content, they come across your website and they link back to you. Link-based articles often lead to natural link acquisitions, improving overall site authority. Last but not the least, it's important to get internal links to those pages which you are building, because internal links from pages which are already ranking in Google gives you a natural boost. So that becomes an important step for there. And also, if you can possible, give 1 to 2 external backlinks to authority sites from that article of yours to give it a natural flow in the eyes of Google. That was it for the first video. If this video was valuable, don't forget to like and share it. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.